Looking for a versatile tool for your DIY projects? Meet Hardell Rotary Tool. Reason number 1. 69 accessories in one kit for carving, sanding, and more. Reason number 2. 5 adjustable speeds for precision, even perfect for beginners. Reason number 3. Compact, lightweight design feels just like holding a pen. Bonus feature. LED light eliminates shadows for detailed, precise crafting. USB rechargeable battery lasts up to 200 minutes. No interruptions, no hassle. Perfect for resin crafts, engraving, and creating memorable handmade gifts. Includes easy-to-follow instructions and video tutorials for a smooth start. Great for bonding with kids or surprising loved ones with DIY gifts. Ready to upgrade your crafting game? Click now to grab yours today. Don't wait. Unleash your creativity with the Hardell Rotary Tool now. Find the product link in the description.